Hello again. Back for my third new technology. It's called Symbaloo. And it's actually more of an organizer than it is anything else. If your school's like my school, we have a ton of different websites they have to go to in order to use their technology. The math website, the reading website, some teachers use the Google Classroom constantly, Class Dojo. There's just so much to keep track of, and this puts it all in a nice, easy format. You can see it does have a free account there, but I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in with Google. Okay, and this is called a web mix. And basically what it does is it takes all of your high traffic, the websites that you frequent a lot, and puts them in one place. I'm going to go to the learning. I've added a couple here. This is these it came with. All of these were standard ones that it already came with. You can see Google Classrooms on there. And I added in there Pear Deck. And I also added in my school's math website, which is Think Central. So if you were to give it, you can give other people access to this. You can see there's a share button. You publish this and your students can go to it, your coworkers can go to it and have quick access to the websites you use a lot. This would take you straight to Google Classroom, okay, to the login. And this one I've set up to bring me right to the school's website, my school's math website. And this one I set up to bring me right. This is actually what students would use to go right to the login for Pear Deck, which I showed in my first video. But let's add another tile over here. Create a tile. Okay, and let's say that I want to add a title to get to Class Dojo. I would go right here. Just type in the website that I want them to be able to access. I can give it a different name if I want. I can give it a color. I can click on the logo I want it to use. Okay, and then I save it. And you'll see it should come up right here. I'm going to edit it. There we go. I don't know why that didn't work the first time. Okay, either way, I click right on it and it'll take me right to Class Dojo. And so this is an easier way for your students, instead of having to constantly type in websites. You can publish this right to your Google Classroom or to your website. You can share it with them via a link. You can see there's a shareable link, or you can publish the web mix. You can even invite them to collaborate on it. So if they find a really great website that they want other people to see and be able to access quickly, this is much easier than typing in all the different websites. And you know how it is with a classroom full. We've got 25 kids trying to get to Google Classroom. This way they just have to click on the link. And like I said, if you put this on your website, it's there, it's ready to go. They don't even need to remember the Symbaloo website. So this is a great tool for teachers to use to put it right out there in front of their students. The students can use it as well to build their own web mixes, maybe at higher grade levels. Again, it's more for educators than it is anything else, but I did choose the ISTE standard 1B, which is a student standard 1B, to customize their own learning environment. I thought this might be a great way for them to access the tools they use most often on the web. And also the educator standard 4B, which is to collaborate and discover new resources. And I chose that because there is an option on this to allow your coworkers or other people, classroom, whoever you share it with, to have access to it so that they can put what they use most often. So thank you.